Hello friends, welcome to Classes of Preet. If you have not liked and subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Today we will do chapter 1, that is periodic table, periodic properties and variation of properties of chemistry, class 10. So part 1, that is periodic table and periodicity. Now periodic table. A tabular arrangement of elements in groups, that is vertical columns, and periods, horizontal rows, highlighting the triangular trends in properties of elements is called a periodic table. So, a tabular arrangement of elements means, see, this is called a periodic table, means tabular form which consists of groups and periods. 18 groups and 7 periods is called periodic table. Okay. So salient features of the modern periodic table. Groups. The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns called groups. Group 1. These elements are known as alkali metals, except hydrogen, as they form strong alkalis from water. Group 2. Alkaline earth metals, they form weaker alkalis as compared to group 1 elements. Then group 3 till 12, these elements are known as transition elements. All the elements of these groups are metals. They have their 2 outermost cells incomplete. So group 13, boron family. Boron is the first member of the group. Group 14, that is carbon family. Group 15 is nitrogen family. Group 16 is oxygen family, also known as chalcogenes, meaning ore forming. Remember that chalcogenes is also known as oxygen family. Maximum times is asked, what is chalcogenes? Chalcogenes meaning ore forming, which is also known as oxygen family. Okay. So group 17 is these elements from salts and so are known as halogens. These elements have in outermost cell 7 electrons. They need 1 electron to complete their outermost cells. Okay. So group 18. Elements of this group are called the noble gas and inert gas. This is the group which consists of elements which have their outermost cell complete, means 8 electrons in their outermost cells. Okay. So see here, first is alkali metal, means group A is means 1. Group 1 is alkali metals. Group 2 is alkaline earth metals. Group 3 till 12 is transition metals. Group 13 is boron family. Group 14 is carbon family. Group 15 is nitrogen family. Group 16 is oxygen family. Group 17 is halogen. And group 18 is noble gas. And in inner transition metals consist of lanthanide and anthracite. Okay. So remember these things. It is very important to solve or to learn this chapter or periodic table. Okay. So periods. There are 7 horizontal rows in the modern periodic table. They are known as periods. The number of cells present in an atom determines its periods. Okay. A period is determined by the number of cells and a group is determined by the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Example like hydrogen. Hydrogen consists of only 1 cell, that's why it is in period 1, and it has only 1 electron, that's why 1 electron in a shell, in an outermost cell, that's why it consists of group 1. Okay. Like helium. Helium also consists of 1 cell, that's why period 1, and 2 electrons, that's why group 2. Okay. group 1. Helium is also in group 1. So this is a periodic table. You should know which is the shortest period and which is the longest period. See, first period is the shortest period. Okay, first period is the shortest period. Then second is short period. Then third is short period. All second and third both are short period. Okay. Then fourth is long period. Then fifth is longest period, and seventh is also a longest period. Okay, you should remember this. The longest period, if you are asked that which is the longest period, then you should tell sixth period and seventh period, and shortest, that is your first period only. If short, then second and third period, and if long, then fourth and fifth period. Okay, so let's see periodicity. What is periodicity? The properties that reappear at regular intervals or in which there is a gradual variation, that is increase or decrease at regular intervals, are called periodic properties, and the phenomenon is known as the periodicity of elements. Periodicity means that increase or decrease at regular intervals is known as periodic properties, and this increase and decrease at regular intervals is known as periodicity of elements. Elements always increase or decrease their electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, so cause of periodicity. The cause of periodicity in the reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration, that is having same number in the outermost orbit. Example is halogen. Like halogen group consists of 17 group. It is 17 group consists of 7 electrons. That's why it is an example of periodicity. In a particular group, electrons in the outermost orbit remains the same, that is electronic configuration is similar. Since chemical properties of elements depend upon the number of electrons in their outermost shell, thus elements of the same group have similar properties. That's mean like group 17, which I have told you, halogens have similar properties, like they are colored non-metals. They form negative ions carrying a single charge. For example, chloride ion, that is Cl minus. Then they are very reactive and therefore found in combined state. Then fourth point is they are only slightly soluble in water, but they dissolve much better in organic solvents like carbon disulfide, chloroform, alcohol, etc. Then fifth is their melting and boiling point increases regularly moving down the group. When we see towards down the group, the melting and boiling point increase. Then sixth point is there are good iodizing agents. So these are the properties of group 17, and this is as an example of periodicity because it has same number in the outermost orbit and similar electronic configuration. Okay, so cells, which is called orbits, electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain definite circular paths called orbits or cells. Okay, so number of shells depends upon down a group. On moving from top to bottom in a given group, the number of shells increases successfully one by one when it goes down, and across a period, on moving from left to right in a given period, the number of cells remains same. Okay, so see, like in second group, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. These are the elements which have same cells but different across a period the number of shells remains the same. Okay, like second period I have told you. So in down a group like group 17 halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, then these are the elements down a group of group 17 consist of 7 electrons in the outermost cell, but their number of cells differs. Fluorine have two cells, then chlorine 3, then bromine 4, iodine 5. That's why this is called down a group cells increases and across a period remains same. So valency denotes the combining capacity of the atom of an element. It is equal to the number of electrons an atom can donate or accept or share. Valency depends on the number of electrons in the outermost shell. If the number of electrons present in the outermost shell are 1, 2, 3 or 4, then their valency is 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. If 5, 6, 7, then their valency will be 8 minus 5 equals to 3, 8 minus 6 equals to 2, 8 minus 7 equals to 1 respectively. Means 5, if valency is 5, so 8 minus 5 equals to 3, so valency will be 3. This way it works. Okay, so to be continued in the next video with periodic properties. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.